Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I'm in Dubai right now. Okay, so there may be a delay in uploading the video because of the time difference. Anyways, today is Friday. Be careful because otherwise your account will get fried. If you look at the economy calendar, we can see that today we do not have any major event for the dollar pairs. So yes, we can expect the present market sentiment to remain. Okay. And we can see gold steady as investors. Well, what happened to this? US data. Okay. So gold held steady near 2380 per ounce on Friday as investors continue to assess the mixed US economic data and its impact on Fed's monetary direction. Latest data showed a decrease in initial jobless claims, higher than anticipated import and export prices, and disappointing housing starts and building permits. At the same time, Fed Bank of New York President Williams stated that more evidence is needed before considering adjustments to interest rates. So this is the ongoing situation. So technically, we can expect the market to remain within this range only, or at least we can expect the weekly closing to be around this area of the market, which is 2400 and 2350. Okay, so this is the range of gold right now. So let's look at the trading opportunities then. So on the chart you can see that I have 5 lines here, 2 purple, 2 red and 1 blue. So 2 selling opportunities, 2 buying opportunities, and the blue line is a little bit dicey. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, the best buying opportunity and on the chart of gold obviously is around 2350, but chances of market going to 2350 are very less, so there is no dedicated line or separate line for 2350. So above 2350 we have 2357. The red line here, you can see it is the level from where market has shown good price rejection around this area. Along with that, if we draw FIBO here, okay, our beloved FIBO, you can see we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So if the present volatility of the market remains, if market doesn't get crazy, then we can expect the market to take beautiful support, a good bounce from 2357 area. And if you're thinking that 2357 is far away, in that case you can also look for a support around 2364. You can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average around this area. So 2364 and 2357 are two levels where we can look for a quick bounce for the day. So if market takes support, we can easily go for a buy position. And to understand the other opportunities, okay, we need to move to the 15 minutes time frame, because right now we do not have much volatility in the market. Okay, so here you can see that we have 2371 as the previous support, okay, from where market bounced. So be careful during the day, my dear friends. Okay, if you see, especially by the European session and US session, if you see the market is going down, market is standing at 2371 with a big red candle, there is a high chance that market will break it. And if you look at the present market structure, we can already see market is forming lower highs. So if this is the case, then obviously market should break 2371. Okay, but volume will play an important role. Right now we do not have volume, so during the Asian session maybe it will not be able to break it, but by the European session, US session, if volume comes, market will break 2371 and you can look for a sell around this area, or you can look for a sell below 2371 2370 area. How much you can expect? You can expect 40 to 50 pips here as well. Okay, keep in mind volume will play a major role. If you do not have a good understanding about volume, just look at the size of the candle. If the size of the candle is good, hit the sell button. Okay. And if market goes up from here, then we can also look for, okay, sell around the purple lines that we can see on the chart here. What are the levels here? 2387 and 2392. You can see these are the two levels from where market has shown price ejections around this area. And along with that, we also have FIBO 78.6% retracement level and 61.8% retracement level. So during the day, okay, be careful, do not see in case of buy, okay, in case of buy, I told you that okay, if you see market taking support, you can go for the buy position. But here, okay, you're taking a sell. And if we look at the overall trend of the market here, market is bullish. So taking a sell in this market is going against the trend of the market, and it is a little bit risky. So if you see the market is showing price ejection from above, then only take a sell position and do not expect much, because whenever you go against the trend of the market, there is always a chance that after forming 2-3 red candles, market will suddenly form a big green candle. Okay, so you can expect 30 to 40 pips around the area. When will you will get your desired profit, exit immediately. Try to avoid any overnight positions, because during the weekend, the um, recent geopolitical moves, okay, may also bring sudden or crazy volatility by the market opening. But still, the buy position or the buy opportunities that are discussed, like 2364, 2357, okay, swing traders can also look for a buy around those areas. But the sell opportunities 2392, 2387 are not for swing or positional traders, are strictly for the day traders or scalpers only. And if you already have a buy on goal, you're sitting on a buy, okay, and you're thinking to exit, okay, I'll suggest you be on the trade, because further upside, yes, is still very much possible. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, okay, if we see market going down, you can look for support around 2364, 2357. At least we can expect a bounce of 40 to 50 pips. If the bounce is more, do not exit at 40. You can just set break even and just ride along. 2371, okay, maybe a critical level, as market has taken support around this area. So during the day, especially by the US session, if you see market going below 2370, 2371, we can look for a sell below this level as well. Okay, but do not look for a sell below 2371 during the Asian session, because the volume will be low. Volume will be important. On the other hand, if market goes up, as a day trader, as a scalper, we can look for a quick selling opportunity for 30-35 pips around 2387, 2392 area. But do not take a sell and sit on it, because it can be very, very risky. After all, the overall trend of the market is bullish. And as I have already said, today is Friday. Be careful. Monday mornings and Friday evenings can be dangerous sometimes. Okay, especially if you're a beginner or new trader. If you have been trading for a couple of months or years, then obviously you have considerable experience. You know how to handle the volatility and volume. That's a different chapter. But most of us, okay, are sitting at home, do not have much experience, so be careful. Okay, and as I always say, my dear friends, do not forget that capital protection should be your first priority always. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care. And those who are in Dubai, see you tomorrow at the meetup.